tell about the story in Texas. Those two sons.
Oh, it was like 2 days later, right? Yeah.
Yeah, we had a deal in Texas, and these guys called me from the website. And they want to know if we could buy this house, and they said it was their mother's. And I was talking to the guy, and a little bit later, I said, "Well, when did you went to probate on this, right?" And he goes, "What's that?" Hmm. He said, I found some info on your website, but I still don't understand what I got to do. I just wonder if I could sell it, but if we got to go to some probate or something, that's fine." I said, "Okay, well, when, if you don't mind me asking, and I really hate to ask this, but when did your mama pass away?" Because see, what I was doing while I was talking to him, I'm online doing due diligence, and that woman,
Yeah.
I pulled up her name, the owner of the house, and I'm searching all over the place. I'm not finding obituaries. I looked on my Truth Finder account, and it shows her to still be alive because she ain't even been recorded dead yet. And so anyway, so I had to ask, well, if you don't mind me asking, when did mom die?
But
He
like
goes,
the tone he
yeah,
had was like
it's been a
time has
while.
passed, you know?
Yeah, it's been a while. We're ready to sell the house. And this is on a Wednesday morning in San Antonio. And Colin went out and looked at that house.
Oh yeah, you
Colin
guys were pretty
Carrington.
worried about getting
Yeah.
out there, right?
And so it's on a Wednesday morning.
Mm.
And I said, "So when did mom die?" And they said, "Monday." Monday? Like, and I said, like a couple days ago? Yeah. Oh, oh, wow. Okay, well, so I had to do a workaround. So let's get into that right quick. The workaround that we did. So mom died Monday, and it's Wednesday, and I had a contract, and I signed a contract with the heirs, put both their names on it, because what we're going to do is an affidavit of heirship. You can do that in Texas. The affidavit of heirship is going to let you um, go. Because I asked him, I said, "Well, your mom's lived here for like 30 years, right?" And they're like, "Yeah." And I said, "You boys grew up here, both of you?" "Yeah." "And they were the only two?" "Yeah." "And all these old people around here, your neighbors, they know your mom and know that you grew up there?" "Oh, yeah, all the old neighbors around here know us." "That's all we need. We need three of those neighbors, people that can attest that they knew that these two boys were the only two sons and that they were her sons." And we bring over a mobile notary, and the mobile notary signs it and signs off on it. And we take that to the attorney, and the attorney files the affidavit of heirship, and we're able to go around probate. So that can be done. That can be done. And we found that out. But we did not do the deal because we found out that what had happened was mom bought the house owner finance. That's another
Oh
thing.
yeah, that's right.
If you're trying to buy a house that's been owner financed, um, you're talking problems. So, like the guy that had the owner finance note on this house, he didn't want to let it go. He didn't have to. Um, Under the terms of this mortgage, being the owner finance, it stated clearly in their contract that I guess if she died, they got it back.